Hey everyone, welcome back to Aromatic Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about basil Sweet Rutgers Devotion, which is a modern twist on one of the most beloved herbs in the world. Developed by Rutgers University with flavor, disease resistance, and beauty in mind, this basil stands out with its deep green leaves, compact growth, and robust sweet aroma. Whether you're making a fresh caprese salad, stirring a pot of tomato sauce, or simply looking for a fragrant plant to brighten your garden, this basil variety delivers both performance and flavor. What makes Rutgers Devotion unique is its resistance to downy mildew, a common fungal disease that plagues traditional sweet basil varieties. If you've ever watched your basil shrivel up just as it starts to thrive, you'll appreciate how this variety resists those problems, making it a more dependable choice for gardeners across the U.S., even in humid climates. Its flavor profile is rich and classic, with most people expect when they taste the true Genovese basil. The leaves are smooth and slightly cupped, growing thick and full on compact plants that reach about 12 to 18 inches tall. This size makes it ideal for raised beds, containers, or even a sunny windowsill if you're growing outdoors. To grow Rutgers Devotion successfully, start it in full sun, at least 6 hours of direct light per day. Basil loves warmth and well-drained soil. If you're growing in a container, use a good potting mix and make sure the pot has drainage holes. Keep the soil moist but never soggy, and pinch off the flower buds to keep the plant producing those lush, flavorful leaves for longer. The more you harvest, the bushier and more productive it becomes. It grows beautifully alongside tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and oregano. Not only do these companions enjoy similar growing conditions, but basil also helps repel pests like aphids, mosquitoes, and whiteflies. Some gardeners even believe basil enhances the flavor of nearby tomatoes, making it a practical and flavorful garden partner. In the kitchen, the uses are nearly endless. Use Rutgers Devotion to whip up pesto, garnish pizzas, mix into pasta, or muddle into drinks like basil lemonade or mojitos. You can infuse it into vinegars or oils, dry for winter use, or freeze chopped leaves in ice cube trays with olive oil. Nutritionally, basil contains antioxidants, vitamins A, K, and C, as well as trace minerals that support the immune and cardiovascular health. Medicinally, basil has been used for centuries as a digestive aid and anti-inflammatory. It may help reduce stress when used in teas or aromatherapy, and its antibacterial properties make it a traditional remedy for minor cuts and scrapes. Some even use crushed leaves topically for bug bites and mild skin irritations. Rutgers Devotion is the perfect marriage of science and tradition, offering all the classic basil benefits while solving one of the biggest headaches for home growers. It's a flavorful, fragrant, and resilient addition to any herb garden. If you're looking to level up your culinary game or just enjoy the scent of fresh basil every time you walk by the garden, this is the plant that won't let you down. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles. Until next time, happy gardening.